A people's initiative is seen as a better alternative in the renewed bid to do away with political dynasties in the country. Aljo Bendijo with the details.
Boxing analyst and lawyer Dandrax Tapdasan says the only way to pass the anti-political dynasty bill into law is through people's initiative and not the usual process of passing a bill into law in Congress. He points that if framers of the Constitution were sincere, they would have defined the provisions clearly in the Constitution without requiring Congress to pass an enabling law prohibiting and defining political dynasties as mandated by Article 2, Section 26 of the Constitution.
Kung yung framers ng Constitution, if they really wanted to ipagbawal na, no, ang political dynasty altogether, dapat dinefine na nila doon. At sinabi na nila, bawal yan, ito yung definition.
India's 8th Congress, various attempts were made to introduce an anti-political dynasty law and it all came to naught. Only a few years back, Senator William Defensor Santiago advocated the same anti-dynasty bill, only to express disappointment over Congress' calculated vacillation with the passage of the measure. In a country where executive and legislative branches of government and down to provincial and local government are men of political families, how could this law ever approved or pass? Considering that wealth, power, and influence make perpetuation of political dynasty. Under the anti-dynasty measure, political dynasty refers to the concentration, consolidation, or perpetuation of political power by persons related to one another.
As a former journalist, nakita naman natin na ang politika sa Pilipinas ay lokal. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay talagang nakadepende sa parochial mindset natin ng politika. Hindi po. Hindi ho malabo pong magkaroon ng batas against political dynasty kung idadaan po natin sa usual route ng pagpapasa ng batas.
For the People's Television Network, Aljo Bendijo.